क्या ये लोग चाहते हैं कि लोग अपनी समस्याओं से जूझते रहें? इस बात से अरविंद जी को बेहद पीड़ा हुई। अरविंद जी ने मुझे एक बात और कही। इस सो कॉल्ड शराब घोटाले की जांच में ईडी ने पिछले 2 साल में 250 से ज्यादा रेड मार लिए। वो इस सो कॉल्ड शराब घोटाले का पैसा ढूंढ रहे हैं। अभी तक किसी भी रेड में एक पैसा नहीं मिला। मनीष जी के यहां रेड मारी, संजय सिंह जी के यहां रेड मारी, सत्येंद्र जैन जी के यहां रेड मारी, एक भी पैसा नहीं मिला। हमारे यहां रेड मारी, मात्र 73,000 रुपए मिले। तो वो इस सो कॉल्ड शराब घोटाले का पैसा है कहां? अरविंद जी ने कहा है कि इसका खुलासा वे 28 मार्च को कोर्ट के सामने करेंगे। सारे देश को सच सच बताएंगे कि इस सो कॉल्ड शराब घोटाले का पैसा है कहां। उसका सबूत भी देंगे। अरविंद जी बहुत सच्चे, देशभक्त, निडर और साहसी व्यक्ति हैं। उनकी लंबी आयु, सेहत और सफलता की कामना करना। मेरा शरीर जेल में है,
Alright, that is
लेकिन आत्मा आप सबके बीच है। आंखें बंद करो, मुझे अपने आसपास महसूस करोगे। जय हिंद।
Alright, that is Sunita Kejriwal, who is the wife of Arvind Kejriwal, going on to question and also reveal all that has been said to Arvind Kejriwal to her. In fact, she did point out by stating that Arvind Kejriwal did mention to her that in the past couple of months, in fact, there have been multiple raids, including at the residences of Satyendra Jain. Remember, he remains jailed. Manish Sisodia, he also remains jailed. Yet, there has been no concrete evidence that has been gathered. She's also gone on to state that this revelation in terms of where all this money is stashed and, of course, the alleged excise policy money will be revealed by Arvind Kejriwal itself in the coming months. But she's essentially gone on to question that there's no proof, despite the fact that multiple raids we have witnessed in the past couple of months, given this particular case in which now the Delhi CM finds himself jailed at the moment, including several other AAP leaders as well who were grilled. And of course, there were central agency raids that were conducted in multiple residences, as well as seizures with digital evidence that we saw over the past couple of months. And having questioned the same, Sunita Kejriwal there now addressing the media as to what Arvind Kejriwal did state to